Hopefully you guys can see this. It's not probably the best angle. There it goes. There it goes. These babies are heavy. Ready? Ready? Easy, easy, easy. They might have lights in them or something. Oh, maybe that's like a... Yeah, that's a light. Each one lit up. That's pretty cool. That means 8 radiators. I went downstairs and got the big boy saws all out to make it a little bit easier to cut them. And then there's that tire back there. I don't think I showed you guys this yet. Woo! Easy day, YouTube. Easy day. Let's get going. We are in wonderful Edgewood, Maryland, on Edgewood Road in 24 for the local folk. We're turning into the parking lot in a half a mile. Let's go load up a whole bunch of steel shelving. They said 1 pallet. I don't know if it's a whole lot or just a real little bit. I'm not sure. There we go, guys. A pallet of steel shelving. Let's go load this up. I'm going to talk to the manager real quick. Small fee for a pickup. Not a bad thing at all. I'm leaving this plastic one on the bottom. Cutting this off. Let me grab a razor knife real quick. We're going to load all these babies up and head out. Guess I could grab the tie boss and tie them in nice and tight too, huh, YouTube? Yeah, I could do that. What are these? Some kind of wires on each one? They might have lights in them or something. Oh, maybe that's like a... Yeah, that's a light. Each one lit up. That's pretty cool. Not bad. They don't smell good. Smells like a yuck fridge, to be honest, guys. This might be some kind of like meat ones or something. Ew. They didn't tell me what was on them. But that's cool. I'm gonna get a and there's flies all over it. Ew, let me find out. This is the fish containers or something. I told him I can't take the plastic, and he said that's fine. I'll throw this in the trash can in a little bit. I guess I'm gonna cut each one of these wires off real quick while I'm loading. Why not? You know me, guys. Keep your wires. Looks like they're running all the way around them too, so I had to cut each one, a bunch of them. Yeah, I'll be honest, these things do not smell too good. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna keep going and then we're gonna load these babies up. OMG, that took forever. I had to stack each one individual, cut the wires off each one. It took so long. I've been here like an hour probably. We're about to be finished. Yeesh. I'm gonna tie this off real good, strap it, and we're going. OMG, guys. It was much more difficult than I thought it would be, to be honest. Much more. Woo! Easy day, YouTube. Easy day. Let's get going. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day. What we have here is a pressure washer with a trash bag covering it from a tsunami last night. I think in a previous video I was saying how my pump messed up towards the end of a job recently. So my cousin is a master pressure washer, and we took it to his house yesterday. This is a 1-inch shaft on a Honda engine. It's a very good engine. This pump, we hooked it up at his house. The pressure wasn't engaging, like revving up. So there was oil leaking out of this side right here. And I popped one of these out, and you could see oil in the water side of the pump, meaning this cracked somewhere inside the seal. It's messed up. I went ahead and ordered an aftermarket pump, and they are very expensive. You can get generic ones online for like $180 to $250 for a cheap one that will break again in the future, or you can go ahead and buy a $494 one plus tax. They also have CAT brand CAT, but they're like $780 with all the packings and stuff on them. So I got a real good pump coming. I'm gonna put this up until it gets here. It'll be here in like a week. We're gonna get this baby up and running, and we're gonna have to do some jobs and get that pump money back ASAP. Yeah, just a status on the pressure washer. Why not? This morning I'm taking all this shelving to the scrapyard and getting rid of it. I don't know if I'm picking up these appliances or not. Waiting to hear back from the guy. If not, I'm just emptying my truck, and then I have a bunch of like MVA and emissions crap to do, which I'm not looking forward to. And then the next goal immediately would be, I'm getting a tiller over here, tilling up the back corner for a shed platform, 12 by 10, tilling up right here in the yard for our above ground pool, and the whole yard slopes down. So we're gonna get it a little bit more level. I have the line level ready. Let's get it, guys, let's get it. Every emissions test must go. YouTube. So towards the end of last week and Saturday, got a maintenance guy and a friend of my uncle's, a contractor, was calling me to pick up appliances. He said he's got a very heavy washing machine and something else. I forget what else. And I couldn't get to him because I was stuck loading all these shelving up. So I just texted him this morning, and he just replied. I told him I'll be there in 15 minutes. Let's go add a very heavy washing machine to this load. We'll be there in a minute. Everything must go. We are down in Middleborough for all the local people. We'll be there in 1 second, guys. I'll get some footage when I'm loading it or afterwards. Turn left onto Nantucket. I'm not going to put him on camera, but I'm backing up to his work truck. He's got a washer on there, guys. Real fast, guys. Got this heavy dude right here, and then I'm going to get 2 window unit air conditioners that don't work right now. Okie dokie, ladies and gents. After passing emissions, taking tags back to the MVA for the old vehicle, we finally made it up here. Let's hit the scale. Then I'm probably going to get a tiller, till up the yard, take the tiller back, clean it off, take it back, go get sand, and rush back to my house We're making a lot of stuff happen today. Let's get it, YouTube. It's been a very busy day, to be honest. Perching the scale. I decided to keep the window units. We are looking at 75-60. I got roughly 1,200 pounds on here, maybe. Steel weight. Keeping the window units, and they're heavy as crap. Let's go throw this off, guys. Okay, guys, I just came up here, moved this over, cut the cord off of this one, and took all the straps off to save time. Come on, wash it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ready? Make sure this baby's still recording. Believe it or not, there's a lot of steel right here. Believe it or not. Something else is it doesn't smell good, believe it or not. Let's get all this stuff out of here. Still wait, still wait. Every one of these shelves had these brackets, every one of them. So, I don't know, it's like freaking 80 of them times 2. These shelves, I said, were from that grocery store, boy. Not something you want to leave on your truck for 2 days in the heat, to say the least. Keep going, keep. These took so long to load up. Keep going. Yeah, they're all done. Straps. There's a lot of weight. Just in these things. Let's make some room. Still wait, still wait, still wait. Alright guys, I'm gonna unload all these and get footage when I'm done. It's pretty monotonous. Almost finished. There's a whole lot, guys. It took way longer than I thought it would. Kept the 2 ACs and that's it. Still wait, still wait. There's only a little bit of wire in that bucket, so I'm not doing that there. Let's go get on the scale. Okie dokie. Getting way out and heading out, guys. YouTube, we are looking at 6160, so maybe close to 1,600 pounds in steel weight. Alright, I'm gonna go get a receipt and we are finished for right now. Really fast, guys. YouTube. 7560 to 6160. Not that great. 1,400 pounds of steel weight total for a grand total. 20, 40, 60, $70. I mean, not horrible. And I got paid to go pick the stuff up, so it was worth it. I just wanted more. Right now I'm going to get a tiller. We'll get more footage later. Tomorrow I'm doing a clean out with it's half metal and half trash. I seen a aluminum rim and some other stuff. Get some footage when we get some more work going. Let's get it, guys. And the truck doesn't stink no more because of them shelves. Best store on the planet. Dun, dun, dun. Tiller rental. Let's go dig up our yard real fast and be back here in 2 hours so I can take this back. Then go get sand. We gotta hurry, YouTube. Sheesh. We need a pool installed in 2 days or less. It's hard out here. YouTube. So I just rented a tiller from Depot. It didn't work, or it didn't, and it stopped engaging like the idle. It was just idling the throttle. Something happened to it. Take that back and went and got a bunch of sand. Probably too much, as a matter of fact. So we're gonna go till the rest of this yard up and then spread. Too much sand. I asked for 1 ton and I think he gave me more than that. We'll be there in 1 minute. Let's get it, let's get it.
Go past this light, then turn right onto Fuller Avenue.
Operation set up a pool. Boy, oh boy. 15-foot pool, 17-foot circumference. This is not easy, guys. It's not easy. Probably bouncing ridiculous. Sorry if it is. I'm trying so hard. Moving right along, YouTube. I did bring it down a lot, but it still ain't level. It's got to come this way now. Get more footage later, but we are trying to get a pool up, guys. Shout out my brother. He's right here fixing the it's under my old truck, trying to put a starter in. You the man, brother. You the man, bro. I'm recording you. It's hard out here. Real fast, YouTube. Cleaning out under our house, and I'm saving all the metal. There's some wires, a nice aluminum rim. I'll get more footage later or tomorrow. I'm supposed to pick a couple of appliances up today as well. I just got home from work. And yeah, it's like a tornado at my house. Lightning storm, all that good stuff. We ain't getting out the truck right now yet, YouTube. I did 2 junk removal jobs today, and then I just picked up 2 stoves at the very end. Tomorrow I'm gonna leave the stoves here, go to the landfill. On the way back from the landfill, I'm supposed to pick up 3 AC units from my buddy Carl, and then I have a pressure washing job in Harford County, so I won't have time to break the AC units down tomorrow. Come on, tornado, we want to go in the house, man. I'll get more footage tomorrow, YouTube. We've been working crazy. I didn't record yesterday. We did clean out. I did a warehouse clean out in the morning as well. I'm taking all this to the landfill right now, and as soon as we're done, I'm going to see my buddy Carl at these apartments in Middle River. He's got 4 HVAC units and 2 heaters. I'm not sure what all he has, but I got a pressure washing job today, so we're getting the air conditions and we're gonna scrap them tomorrow. I took the 2 stoves off the back. Let's get it, guys. OMG, we got so much going on. 4th of July, I'll be here this weekend, and then we set up an above ground pool yesterday, guys. I didn't record all that. Yeah, I'll try to get as much scrap footage on here as possible, but I've been doing all kinds of side work and other stuff as well. All right, I'll get more footage later. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Commons at White Marsh. They renamed Maple Crest to make it sound more appealing. We're almost at Wampler. We're going to see Carl. We're gonna go load up 4 air conditioners. I saved 2 aluminum rims. One of them has a tire on it back there. There's a cast iron railing. There's a bunch of crap in the back of my truck. I'm gonna have to move around before we load these air conditioners. But there's no way I'm leaving these AC units here, because he said some dudes already took 2 of them, meaning they're coming back for the rest, meaning I'm getting them out of here before they get here. Let's go get this stuff loaded up, guys. Everything must go, YouTube. Okay, guys, really fast. Oh, they got a pile of mattresses, so I gotta move all this crap around, obviously. And then my buddy's got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the frame. 2 frames. Good. I don't want to take 4 frames because I don't have room, and then I'm gonna have to come back probably tomorrow after my pressure washing job and load up more stuff. Let's get it. The chain, yeah, that tire needs to be cut off the rim. There's an aluminum rim under that, and there's an aluminum rim there, so 2 rims. Good non-ferrous, great non-ferrous, guys. I'm gonna take this apart, go talk to my buddy and see what he's talking about. 4 ACs is a nice scrap run, guys. Very nice scrap run. Look at all those mattresses. You guys ready for this craziness? These things are super heavy. Yeah, definitely got the head thing tangled. These babies are heavy. Ready? Easy. Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna fit as many as possible in there, guys. As it's humanly possible. Come on, baby. I have stacked these sideways a bunch of times before. Maybe I can do that, or I can put one on top of the other, but the frames take up a lot of space as well. We're gonna load this up. Okie dokie, guys. So I ended up getting 4 of the bottom units and 1 frame. There's another frame I left over there. I'll put it back because I need room to load a pressure washer. We're gonna break all these down tomorrow, and I told him we'll come back if we got room and load it up. Let's get it. Easy day, YouTube, easy day. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stove next to my house. Oh, we got a lot of work to do today, guys. Pressure washed my buddy Scotty's new townhome in Bel Air, Maryland yesterday. Left these ACs in there like I said I was going to. Everything turned out good. My new pump came. I shared like a little post about it. But this is my other pressure washer. This is a Westinghouse. This little thing is a monster, believe it or not. I've had it since like 2022. Still works great, knock on wood. Pump's kicking butt. Taking all this off of here. Take her Jeep, move my truck, switch them, put my truck right here, put her Jeep in front of it, break down these air conditions as quietly as possible. Let's get to work, guys. We got a lot to do today. There's another stove on the other side of my house because I didn't want to put 2 in a row and have it hanging out past that fence right there. Sheesh. We're gonna bust down all these, and I'm going to see Carl and getting that other frame as well that I didn't take. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. It's a beautiful morning, guys. It's supposed to be like 93 today, I believe. Okay. Check this out, YouTube. I don't think I showed you guys this yet. Wow. So, the frame itself is a little bit lopsided because when we first started filling it, water was piling on this side more. So I put these down. Plus this was the thicker side with more sand. So the frame looks bent, but it's holding good. We're happy with it. Might have to dig these out and prop them up or lower these a little bit. I don't know yet. Oh yeah, we got the built-in above ground pool in. And the other day when I picked up a stove from my uncle's old boss's house, he gave me this $12,000. The whole front's missing. The filter and the on off blah 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 ain't on here. So this baby's getting cut up today too, against my better judgment. I don't care about whatever, I want it out of here. And there's another one that works and we're keeping this one. It's $5,000. Let's get to work, guys. Okie dokie, guys. So I took the straps off of this. I'm gonna pull this out and break this baby down. Take off 7 million 1/4-inch screws, just so it takes up less space. Piling on this side maybe, and then start working my way into these air conditions. 4 air conditions. That means 8 radiators. I went downstairs and got the big boy saws all out to make it a little bit easier to cut them. And then there's that tire back there. If you look under here, there's a tire on this aluminum rim, and there's another aluminum rim under that with nothing on it. And the starter to my old truck right there, my brother switched out my starter. It's right here, and it still don't want to start. Like I said, I think the wiring got messed up when I hit a deer, and it's possible it could be fuses. I looked online, it could be a 30 or a 40 amp fuse, and it could be a solenoid. I have no idea, guys. All right, I'm gonna get to work on this thing. I'm not gonna record everything, but just show you guys step by step. Trying not to make too much noise. It's like 9 something, so it's not super early in the morning, but still don't want to be, I guess, ignorant and make a lot of noise if possible. Screws. There's gonna be a whole lot of them in there by the time I'm done, for sure. And then that other air conditioner out back, that'll make 5, so this should be a great non-ferrous payout. Come on, baby. He called this the heater, and I guess it is the heater. It's the top part of the AC unit, heating and air conditioning. But I thought, I always call these just the frame. But I'm not a HVAC dude, so I'm a scrap dude. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. Pretty good.
More screws.
Alright, so I'll get footage in a little while, guys. Moving right along. Yeah, this will take much less space once we're done. Ooh, hot. Alright. Still going, guys. I literally just put this exact same footage on a short video. Exactly the same thing I recorded on the short. I went like this, bing, bing, bing. Oh yeah, I went like this. Moving right along. Cutting this ain't gonna be fun. That's why I grabbed this bigger saw. Okay, we're done watching that. Then we share it to Facebook to get on everybody's nerves like they didn't already just see it on YouTube. Moving right along, guys. I got a little bit of copper going. Like I said, there's another stove on the other side. Before I leave, I gotta put that on. Gotta cut all the sides off of these. I'm gonna do that last so it's not as loud. But it's getting late. It's like 10:30, 11, something like that. Meaning it ain't too early. But yeah, this is taking forever, but I'm getting it. I am getting it, guys. See if we can get some murders out too. We'll see. I got through that side. This side's almost done, but I didn't get it yet. I went through 2 blades, through one back there. Here's the other one. And if you don't take your time, you're gonna mess your motor up. I don't know about the big one, but the little one I did fry a motor. Trying to chop a rim. Come on, baby. We're almost through this thing. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's not probably the best angle. There it goes. There it goes. Good. So I'm done cutting all these up except the radiator sides and the motors. I gotta put 2 stoves in here, pile this on top, leave space to go get supposedly a water heater and another heater or base or whatever you call it. And this is aluminum, guys. But we will take it. I'm gonna have to cut that tire up and do something with it. Jeez, look at all that rubber. Wave high for the aluminum. Look at all that rubber. It's like a pile came off of there when I cut it. Sheesh. Alright, moving right along. I'll get more footage in a little while. Hold on. I'm gonna pop this valve off. These are brass. I do got like 1 gram of brass. Moving right along, guys. Come on, Mr. Motor. So, babies are locked. I hate when that happens. I might have to set them to the side and try to cut them later, guys. I'd rather get the motors out, but I don't want to make so much noise right here. Oh, I got that stove up in there, but it got stuck on something hanging out. So I'm going to shove that rim under there and some other stuff. Put another stove in front of that too. This guy right here is going in there. It's hot. Sheesh. One more big objective. This saw, this heavier, bigger one with the 60 volt on it, it's working much better for these because of the weight. I mean, obviously it's stronger, but the weight of it. Ooh, like butter, like butter, like butter. Nice. Like 5 more to go, I think. Lots of macaroni saved up down in there, guys. Okie dokie, okie dokie. It's time to sweep all this crap up. And yeah, we got a nice amount. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice. Alright guys, we're gonna go pick up a water heater and another unit quick as possible. Okie dokie, YouTube, we're finally on the road. It's 2:35. That took me a couple hours. I wasn't like rushing through it, but it definitely took a while. Right now we're on the way to get a water heater, and rush hour traffic will be there in about 10 minutes. Let's go load this baby up and see what else we can come up with. Okay guys, we're here to get this baby out of here, and the maintenance dude here Yeah, 2 days ago when I got them 2 stoves, asked me did I want a whole bunch of stuff, and I told him yeah. He said he won't be here on 4th of July, so he can leave it outside. And then just now he seen me, he's like, hey, you come to get that stuff? And not really, I didn't, because I got to get that that frame, that big frame. But I just told him I'll take 2 appliances right now, whatever he's got. And he said okay. So I'm gonna put this on here, then we're going to take like 2 stoves or something. Let's get it, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, change of plans. I'm just gonna put 3 things on the back of here. There's a combo, a fridge and a washer right in front of me. I'll probably take that and throw the frames in there, anything else quick as I can, and we'll go straight to the yard. I'm not gonna record it all, but just trust me. We're loading all this in here right now. Boy, we're about to load a washer dryer combo. Washer dryer combo. These things are ridiculous heavy. Yeah, guys, I didn't know I was getting all this today. I thought I was just going to get a heat frame. I'm still going to get it, but not right now. I'll tell my buddy something came up. Beautiful. And then I'll probably put this and that washer on here as well. Easy day, easy day. YouTube. So I just picked up 4 appliances. I only thought I was getting 1 water heater. Just realized I forgot all about that big air conditioner that's out back of my house today, because it's hot and it took me so long to break them 4 down. But we got a lot of steel weight on here. We got a lot of non-ferrous on here. 8 radiators, like 4 big motors, 1 small motor. It's all kind of a little bit of wire, a bucket full of decent amount of copper. This is going to be a nice little payout. $500,000. We'll be at the scrapyard in 17 minutes. Let's get it, let's get it. They're closed tomorrow and Saturday. The landfill's closed tomorrow, 4th of July, and they're open on Saturday. You won't see this footage for about 2 weeks anyways, but yeah. On to the scale, let's get it, let's go. Okay guys, we have some very important business to take care of. Very important business. Should be a nice heavy load. I'm hoping for like 8,100, 8,300. Got a big old pile of stuff over there, long poles hanging out and everything. I'm gonna get weighed and go throw everything out, guys. Okay, we are looking at 79, 8180. What? Hey, I was joking. That'll work. We're close to a ton. It won't be a ton in steel because of the radiators and such. Let's go throw this out, guys. We're doing good. Okay. I took all the straps off. Get rid of all this stuff safely as possible. Want that thing off here next. Oh, Mr. Washer, bro. That's gonna have to work. How can we do this safe? No, 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 no. Ready? There we go, there we go. Let some weight off of this thing, man. I'm gonna separate the non-ferrous as I go, because it's all thrown in here crazy, y'all. Like real crazy. Water heater. Watch your legs. Watch your legs. Ready? Ready? I cut all 4 of these motors out. Launch it, you two, launch it. Moving right along. Stove. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep throwing all this out and get more footage in a little bit. Moving right along. OMG, that took a long time, guys. There's somebody right at the door for the non-ferrous. We're gonna pull up next to him and wait, and then unload all this stuff. There's a lot back there this time. It was like 8160, I believe, which is already a lot. Down to 6,700, so like 1,400 pounds or so of steel weight. That means we got, don't tell me we got like 600 pounds of non-ferrous. That'd be awesome. All right, I'm gonna go cash this in and see what we get. Sheesh. Real quick, guys, this ain't gonna be a bad little payout right here. There's some aluminum as well. Motors down there, couple motors. Yeah. Wires. I'll get footage when we're done. YouTube. Sheesh. That was much better than I thought. I was hoping at least around 250. Much better than I thought. We have 8180 to 6700. It was 1480 pounds. Meaning we did have like 463 pounds of non-ferrous, which is crazy good. Sealed units, 177 pounds was 3186. The radiators, 100 pounds at $1.78 per pound. 100 pounds. Chrome wheels, 53 pounds, 3180. Copper number 2 was 17 pounds at 347 was 58.99. 450 for one starter from my old green truck. Electric motor, 68 pounds, 14.95. 768. And aluminum sheet house wire was $20.20 for 26 pounds. For a grand total, crazy grand total alert. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 1, 2, 8. $8. What? That works. It was not all because of them AC units, but I promise you about 80% of that was probably because of AC units. Nah, the rims added on in the car. Yeah, that was a real good run. We're going to get that frame right now from Carl. You are the man, Carl. Everything must go YouTube. I hope everybody has a great 4th of July. You won't see this until freaking August the 4th or something. Sheesh.